Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning from Untouchable Mama. My brothers and sisters, I dey vex this morning. I dey vex. Not be only this morning, na since yesterday I dey vex. Why be say some of us, we Nigeria, we black, we not like ourselves? Why be say if we see say person, that person just dey stand up, he wan go up, we go dey want make we draw and go down? Some of our people, some of black, some of Nigeria, why we dey do something like that? Wetin dey make me dey vex this morning? I just wake up. I say may I first talk to my brothers and sisters there. I be good person wey know me, they will know say I get very good mind. But if you make me wicked, I go dey wicked. You go surprise say no be this woman wey dey talk so, no be she na be this one. Wetin happen, my brother, my sister? Because before I do anything, I go still want make person advise me. I say I dey even dey give person chance. You understand? You fit make something say maybe na mistake na you do. I will give you chance, make you take change. But if you no change, I will tell you say I be woman. You understand? Aleru no kwete bonoma. Ohona bona gele bale gbana ya te bonoma. Also mani egbe anywhere where you dey. So far the main way I marry be. Wetin happen? Me I speak English because wetin make me want speak English because na Benin I for speak. I don't know whether the person wey do am, whether the person na Benin or whether na the person no dey hear Benin. So make I speak English for this one. Make I speak broken. Wetin happen? Yesterday 21 February 2018. As I just enter my YouTube, I just say read something just come out for the up. I no understand all this thing well. So I can't come my face, so I can't ask my son, say, come look wetin come out from my face, my YouTube. Then my son come look and come press am. As he go inside, then he come tell me say, person report a video where I put. That's it. Which video be that one? So he click the video. Then he come see say me I see the video. Now I come say this video na Ameya Wefe na he get the video. Now say if na he report and na he video, problem not there. You understand? So when I go enter inside my email, I go see say no be Ameya Wefe na he report the video at all. The person wey report am, because you know say YouTube, if you report video, they will send you email say person report your video, see the person wey report am. Now I come see say na go Naija. Na so they write am. I go still put the video, more na still see the thing where I dey talk so, because me tell me no say go Naija. I come say go Naija. Who come be go Naija? Me, I can't write that go Naija. I can't put am for YouTube. It can't come out. Now go look the channel of the person. You they do copyright as me they do copyright. Which one can be your problem? Wetin be your problem? We all wait there for that YouTube. We all are copyright. Even me self, I even they get my audio. As me they talk, so this one na my audio. I go still put that for YouTube. You not get your audio now copyright. Now full everything where you they do. Wetin concern me concern you. Go Naija. Wetin concern me concern you. Huh? I go tell you say I be Benin woman and I no fair do you. If I fair do you, now this thing go good for you. I no fair do you. You go hear when for my body. You go hear when you go even talk say wetin make you go meet that woman. It no concern me concern you. If na Ameya Wefe na say me I drop that video, I know say Ameya, you know Ameya Wefe not dey here now, but his spirit dey here. As I tell see that man, no be bad person. If you want me, you know put a video, no be say go report you. If he drop comment say, sister, please drop my video. I don't see that person because you know say this our life, this as we be so. Once you see person, you go just know the spirit of that person. You will know as it say they do something. You go know whether na person wey dey harsh, whether not be person wey dey harsh, whether na person wey dey wicked. You go know. The first time I just see the video, now I say okay, now you get the video. Problem not there. But as I go enter inside now, press am, see say who report the video. Go Naija. Wetin concern me concern you. Go Naija. Who know you? I don't know you. Everything wey you dey do for YouTube na copyright. You get your own for video wey you get for there. Wetin make you report that video? No be say na you do that video. No be the person wey get that video na even report. I beg my brothers and sisters, if una see this audio, make una help me share am. May e reach the Go Naija hand. I don send message for a Facebook. I don send message for a Facebook. I even leave comment, not be for a Facebook, or not for YouTube, sorry. I don leave comment for a YouTube. May e reply me. May una help me tell am. May e go whether may e go do wetin e suppose to do, because no be him get that video. No be him get am, because ayi balegbeya wey ma gbon. Before I go naked swear for that Go Naija head, and I go do am. Go Naija, you get 7 days. You get 7 days. Not talk say wetin this woman dey talk, you no fit do am. I go tell you say na woman na you meet, no be man. I no get where I for offend you. E no concern me, concern you. Me, I get audio wey people dey put for channel. Wey people dey put for YouTube channel. I don see am. Many of una don still see am. I no care. You like wetin I talk, na make you put am for your own YouTube channel. I never write them one day say remove that audio, na my own. I no care, my sister, because this life, I feel see wetin I like for your channel, I go pick am, I like am. You feel see wetin you like for my own, you go pick am, you put am for your own. Problem not there. Huh? Go Naija, wetin I do, you wetin concern me, concern you. Wetin concern me, concern you, Go Naija. I don watch I go your channel, I go look am. Go Naija dey, Naija Wash still dey, but I never want me I talk say you be Naija Wash. But now Go Naija, now YouTube tell me say, now you report that video. May I tell you, Go Naija, go do as you want do one, because after I don't get that whether they call that three reports, they go block my account. I go tell you say, person they pass person. I not be winch oh. I not be witch, but I go cry for my God. If I fair do you, it go for your body. I no fair do you. But now interest, you don't want make people they watch wetin I dey put for YouTube. Now make you say you want block my account. I go tell you say person they pass person. I go tell you say my God pass you. I'm just telling you the truth. You get 7 days. 7 days then you get, whether you want write YouTube or tell them say na mistake oh, now you know as you want to do it. It no concern me, concern you. That my YouTube I don't open am 2013. Now I tell open that YouTube. If you not send a lie, I go where they write information. You go press and you go see and say 2013. Now I don't open that my Facebook. It no concern me, concern anybody. Just say I don't want me I see they talk to my people. Me I see now make me enter this YouTube or something. Eh? Go Naija, I don't tell you, I beg brothers and sisters, I go still put am because I know they do something where not get proof. YouTube send that to me. Then don't cause one don't come out. After 2 reports, then go block my accounts. The first person to report me for YouTube, now be this Go Naija. I not do anything, no concern me, concern. I not collect the video. No be video now, like say na a video now, go say na a video, na a do and na a face day. This one na Amiya Wefe video where I put for there, where Amiya Wefe do for last month. We talk about marriage. You understand? I like wetin that man talk. I pick am, put am. If una watch my YouTube, I know they put anyhow video for there. If I look say wetin person talk, say I like am, go pick am, go put am for my. I put am for my YouTube. You understand? Because the thing they pay me. The thing they pay me. It don't concern me, concern go Naija. I don't know you, you don't know me. If na person send you come, I go eat you raw. May I tell you, Go Naija. I beg my brothers and sisters, may una help me share am. Go Naija. You get 7 days from today. Today is 22 February 2018. You get am for them to cancel that wetin they put for my account. Now you do one. You know be say you know if you talk say no be you do one. I go still put the proof. Now go see am. Go Naija. Go Naija. Now you name yourself. Now I know you put. And now your channel. Now you press that thing. Report that video. No. When you know say no be you get that video. 7 days now you get. If I no hear from you, I send you message. I even put comments. I put my message comments for your video. May you for see am, because if you say you not see the message for YouTube, I put comments for your video. May you for see am. 7 days now you get. If I no hear from you, I swear to my Baba God, I will tell you say na woman now you face. If you face they do another person, na my own. Now you go Now I no want me of course me I not because I never wash my teeth this morning. I no want me I even talk anything. My own I go stop you. If you fail to do other people for Facebook, now my own I go stop you. I go tell you say person the past person. Because if I want curse, I'll first start and say, if I fair do you, all the curse where I go curse, I go use my head take carry. I no fair do you. But you just want, may you just do that, may you do and say, you want to me say, who be me? I will tell you who I be. Now I go naked as my mouth take born me. Now I go take the swear for you for 7 days. If you not see am for body, you will not say not be woman. Now put me for this head. It not concern me, concern you. I don't know you, you not know me. If I offend you, you go write me. That is me for you. If person offend person, where I dey talk to person, I go tell the person say, try make you stop this thing where they do. Try make you stop am before I go fire you. I no offend you. It no concern me, concern you. You dey do your own, I dey do my own. Wetin concern me, concern you, go Naija. Wetin concern me, concern you. You know me before. I no know you, you no know me before. I never talk to you, you never talk to me. Wetin make you go report my video? No be you even do the video. No be you even do the video. If na person wey do the video, na him still report me, I will say, if I not report me, for write me say, drop my video, I go drop am. No be you. You, everything wey you get, A to Z na copyright. Person don report you, I don report you, e no concern me, because no be me get the video. Person wey get the video fit report you, but no be my own. Person don put my audio for their own YouTube channel, I no report them. I no report them. You like me, na make you put am. You like wetin I talk, na make you put am. Wetin make you go Naija, go report the video wey no be your own. My brothers and sisters, mona help me ask go Naija. Mona help me ask am. Mona not talk say this woman, you no even talk to her first before you dey curse. 7 days now I give go Naija. If I no see go Naija, say go, whether you go write to YouTube or you go tell them say na mistake or anything where you go do, if you not do am, my sister, my brothers, you go pay me. You go pay me. Ya mungiza bone boy na. I mungiza bone ya kamenwe. Oh who ogbina you tell Doni. I go tell am. Because no brave, mona no dey chook na hand for any person wanna see. No be any person agbe kan. Why agbe kan no so, no so wa. I go tell you if I fair do you. If I want start the course, ebo agbe. If I fair do you, I no fair do you. Me I no want me course. I never wash my teeth this morning. And if I want start time, don't tell you now 7 days now you get. After that 7 days, I no hear reply from you. May you not talk say this woman dey joke. I'm not joking with you. I'm not joking with you because if I do something, I go say na me fair do am. Na me can't do me. I no fair do you. Wetin concern me, concern you. No be your own video also. You go hear am for body. 7 days now you get. 7 days. E no concern me, concern you. I never get problem with anybody. People wey even dey do anyhow, I dey even dey talk to them. Make una gbere invo. No be so they say they do. Talk well say you wey be copyright A to Z. From your head go reach your toe na copyright. If you watch my channel, you go see my audio for there. I go to talk am from Untouchable Mama. You not get anyone. Now all the old people where they do video now they are now you they put for there. Wetin make you go report that video? Now you get am. Now the person wey get am is supposed to report, not be you. My brother, my sister, I dey vex this morning. I want me I just calm down. I don't report you to many people. I don't know you, you not know me, not concern me, concern you. Do am as you want to do am. If you not do am, say I know igbitete yakama we of your hakere ogbegbo and won't. I will tell you the kind of person where I be. I not be witch, I not be devil, but I go cry, go meet my God. You say, you know, say God, say anything where they pay you for might cry, he go answer you. If I do you, now I go first start. I not do you. Me I stop am from here. My brothers and sisters, I beg Mona help me. If you see this audio, Mona help me share am. Mona share am. Even though say they block my YouTube, I go open another one. But before they block am, I go tell you say that hand where you take do one, everything where you play, where you use your hand say do. I don't want me I curse you. Me I fair leave this one first. Me I fair leave am. Me I just give you that opportunity. Make you take change. Mona help me send down. Go Naija. Say na go Naija because now so the right hand can't give me. Say na go Naija and I report say me then drop this video say na copyright. Where you know say copyright for your head go reach to. You say me then drop am. If you go my channel, you go see my audio, you go see other people video. Wetin dem dey do, I dey like am. If I no like wetin dem dey do, I no dey put am. I no dey put yeye thing for my channel for there. I no dey put yeye people there. If I see say if they talk about Abidi, you no go dey there live. My sister, my brother, I beg. I can't beg una. I dey vex this morning because I no expect am. I no expect people wey dey for YouTube. They go hear the agbo vegbiyan. You no concern me, concern you. I no know you before. Not be say that they pay me for the YouTube. I just like to be to the do am. They say YouTube they pay person. My own, they never start to they pay me. I know they talk like. Once you don't they watch YouTube, don't they see that yellow something where they pass for the video. Let me say that they pay you. They know they pay me. And they do am. They do am for them. But if this go now just say this woman where they come, so you no want me come, I will tell you say, oh that is so that way my see you go there back. Now back now you go there forever. If you dey do am to other person, my own I go stop you. Then go even tell you say that woman where you go gbe kind, or man I gbe kind no. I know the find person trouble. No find my own. No find my own. You get 7 days. Otherwise, I go swear for you. That swear. No bossy. No Now make me want to give you 7 days. Now make me want to give you 7 days. Why I'm not way? Why I'm not way? You know it's good for you. 7 days now I get for you. Today is 22 February 2018. The thing you do yesterday, which is 21 February 2018, now you take do one. You know say you do one. I go put the proof for you. My brother, my sister, may una help me now. Beg now, dey. Mona help me. Whether I see say many people they watch my YouTube pass you, I no know for am. E no concern me. I no even get time whether people they watch am, whether people they not they watch am. I thank everybody where they watch am. God go bless una. As una tell they watch am. You gbavo man. Why you go there? Why you come dey gbavo me? Wetin concern me concern you. Wetin concern me concern you. We not be the same family. E no concern me, e no concern you. I no fair do you. Even though say I see my audio for another person, I no go report you. I never will report you. I no go report you. Because if you dey put am, not be say you dey cancel, they even they talk and say from untouchable mama. You even they make me they grow up. Why I go come out? Why I go report you say you come out? Huh? You no be you get the video where you go post say make they come out and say na copyright. Where you know say you be A to Z na copyright. It will never better. It not better for you. Me I first stop for you. Me I first stop. I go wait you. I go wait you 7 days. After that 7 days, if you not see me, you go not say not be me. If you not see me, you go not say where shall me I first forget. From untouchable mama, remain blessed, my brothers and sisters. Now to say verse me because I know they want. Make person they oppress another person. I know they like am. Even though say that person good pass you, e get people where they watch the video pass you. Even though e get person where they subscribe to a channel pass you, which one be your own problem? Then why YouTube now for everybody. You feel open now, put you everything where you like. Now your own. Why you go come dey jealous for another person? Mona help me share this video. Mona help me share this audio. I just got to beg all of you. Mona help me share am. Mona no come tell say this woman dey wicked. I no be wicked person, but if person do me, if person chook my hand for my eye, I no agree make chook her for the other one. I go tell am say that eye e dey pepper me. The hair where you chook hand dey pepper me. I go tell the person. From untouchable mama, remain blessed, my brothers and sisters. Goodbye.